Hi, welcome to DY India Tech. So today we are going to learn load testing Apache benchmark. So let me discuss first some basic things why we require this. So AB is the tools for Apache benchmark. Okay. So load generation, that primary purpose of AB is to generate a specific number of HTTP or HTTPS request to target web servers. It can simulate high load and concurrent requests, enabling users to evaluate the server's performance under heavy traffic. So first of all, if you are new in my channel, so please like and subscribe my channels to get the valuable information. And if you want some additional informations for regarding Apache, please comment. So I will make a video for that. So let me begin. So first of all, why the this load testing is required. So basically, when we create any service, so we don't know how much that server able to handle the request. Okay. Another things like whatever application we are like deploying in that service, that also we don't know how much the request that application is capable to handle that request. For concurrency uses, like if at the time like 100 user is login, whether the system is properly response or not, how much load it will handle. Okay, whatever compute we have decided of the service. Okay, so once we design this servers with the help of specific numbers, whenever we deploy any project. Okay, so first the requirement is that like the number is there. uh, this is the requirement, let's suppose the client is required 10,000 users to log in their system. So to validate whether this 10,000 users are able to log in that system we have designed, whether the it attach resources is capable for that or not, we don't know. Okay, so that's why we are using the tools. There are multiple tools there. Okay, there is some paid tools also there, but Apache is like basic benchmarking, uh, load testing. So it is a open source. So very basic things we can do for AB tools, but it is very useful tools, and you can just estimate idea about that how much requests will handle your servers. So let me show you some practicals. So first of all, uh, I have considered some examples here. Execute HTTP 100 get request to give URLs. Okay, so this is a command where we can use like 100 requests. Okay, so I'm not using 100 requests. Let me try some basics because I don't have bandwidth for that much. So let me hit 50 requests first. So AB is the tools, hyphen n is the number of requests. So I'm sending the 50 requests, and the URL would be whatever you want, like you have to mention your. So this is my URLs. This is here. Let me try it. Let me increase my font. I think it is not visible. Okay. So just I use AB command, hyphen n number of requests you want to put here, then URL in the URLs. Okay. Let me. So let me read this output. This is Apache Benchmark version 2.3. Okay. This is the versions. Then license to the Apache software foundations. Okay. Benchmarking. This is like my web servers. So software is like the current version I'm using. It's showing like Apache 2.4.62. My server's host name, it is like IP address. Port, which port I initiated the request. Okay, HTTPS. Then SSL and TLS protocols. Okay, so my server is supporting TLS 1.2, and this is a ciphers. Okay. Next is document path. So I just put slash. Okay. Let me move up. Currency label is 1. I haven't defined anything. Time taken to test. This entire 50 request is taking 0.879 second. It means like millisecond. Complete request 50. So we have initiated 50 and completed 50 because the failed request is 0. Total transferred in bytes, it's showing HTML transferred, it's showing in bytes. Request per second, 56 second. Per request is taking 56 second. Time per request is taking like ms, 17 ms and 17 ms. Now here, connection time in ms, millisecond, okay. Connection 6 minutes, okay. Medium max is a 40. Processing again 5, 10. Waiting, not a, waiting is a 5. Total is 10. Now here is like percentage of the request served within a certain time ms. 50% is taking first 17 requests. 66% is 18, 75, 19. Now it's reaching 200 is 29, longest request. Okay. Let me increase the number. Okay. So let me increase 100. Okay. Let's see what are the changes is there. So this all remains same, like still is request 100 request is processed. Okay. Let me increase more requests. 300. So now again, like concurrency level is 1. Okay. So we are sending 300 requests, but at the time 1 request. Okay. It's taking for 5 seconds. So let me show you the concurrency. Okay. So here C is for concurrency. Okay. So we can use in the same command. Let me, we want to proceed at the time 10 requests. Okay. And total 300 requests. So see, complete 100, 200, 300. Okay. Finish. Now see, concurrency level is 10 and it's taking time. So first is taking 110, second is 120. So first is taking 100 requests, then 120. It's increasing 10, increasing 26. It is like increasing the request. Okay. Let me more changes. Let me do 20. Let's see how it works. So again here is percentage of the requests served within a certain time ms. 50% is taking 2 to 5 and the last 3, 7, 1 longest request. Okay. See my server's load also is there 0 point something. This server I have very less capacity. So I have 500 GB, 500 MB RAM. Okay. So I'm not increasing. So let's see. So whenever I request some more, it establishes connection more. Okay. Is increasing the connection, number of connections. Okay. So see, this is the 17 request. Let me increase more connections. Or let me increase like this concurrency 30. So now VG max 22. Let me see the result. So that is concurrency is taking, when we increasing the concurrency request, then it increasing the second. Okay. It's taking more time to solve the request. But again, no failure. This is 0. So here is a waiting minimum to maximum 135. Let me increase more concurrency. Let me do 50. Let me here 500. Now see the load. Let me see here the request. Now is max busy 30. Now see is increasing. Now my request is completed. let me see how many established connection. So now see the established connection is increasing to my applications because I'm just accessing my application page. It's getting loaded. Okay. So this is a very best tools you can test and very easy to use. Okay. So it is good for to generate a traffic. Okay, in your website. So it is a very easy to use. Okay. So again, this server is working fine. Let me do final things 100 requests. You can see what is doing. Let me increase the numbers 1000. So here I am processing 1000 requests, concurrency of 100. So complete 100 requests, 200 requests, 300 requests, 400 requests, 500 requests, 600 requests, 700 requests, 800, 900, and 1000. So let's see the numbers. Maybe increase here. See. So here is increasing. So this is also good, very good statics is provided. So you can configure or you can monitor this statics. Let me check number of established connection WC. So now currently 122 connection is established already. Within the minute we can increase 1000 of connection. It's depending upon your server's utilization. Now see, my server utilization is increasing. So let me 200. So now see, if I just increase concurrency, it process the number of requests is same 1000, but again the concurrency will increase. Okay. So now 211 requests is there, and see the loads. The load is increasing 3.86, 1.65, and so using this command you can increase the load of your servers within a minute. Okay, we just send the request and just increase the concurrency. You can able to test your applications. Okay, so this is a very good tools and this is really available, so you can refer the tools and use for your application. If you deploy any newly applications and you require to like do load testings, or you want to know how much requests it will handle and it capable, so you can run this command and just check. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, so you can just subscribe my channel and share this video with your colleague and friend. Thank you.